Unit 3, Ode to Joy. We learn about phrasing and shaping the phrasing through loud and soft. Normally, when you see the notes going high, you tend to get louder. When it's going downwards, it tends to get softer. Similar to when you climb up the mountain, you feel the pressure. And when you go down the mountain, you feel the releasing. Ode to Joy, start from C, 5 fingers. Where your left hand is following the right hand motion, the only finger is the same as number 2. We call it the pivot point, where you're going up and down from there. And remember, when you put two hands together, left hand is not playing the same letter as right hand. It starts from middle finger, but then it follows the motion of the right hand. So it's good if you get familiar with your right hand first before you put your left hand down. Ready, set, go. Start from E, twice go up, G, now combine, go down, 2 together, C, go up, E, hold your thumb left hand, E, D, back to E, go up to G, together, go down, 2 together, C, go up, and down, and on C. Hold your thumb left hand, E, C, high C, 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 up, 2 together, 3, go down, 2 together, C, twice, go up, twice, and now D, C, go up, from G, go down, 2 together, C, go up, and down to C. Move back to your C position, D, hold your left hand, E, C, E, F, E, C, to Joy slow version. Get louder. Back to slow. From slow. Get louder. Get softer. Get louder. Loud. To Joy fast version.